Morning sir, branches of ballistic. Interior ballistic is study kung paano gumagalaw ang bala habang nasa loob pa ng baril. Dito in-examine o pinag-aaralan ng combustion, gunpowder o pressure at speed ng bala bago ito lumabas. Malagay ito para malaman kung gaano kalakas at kabilis ang puwersa na nagtutulak palabas sa bala. Exterior ballistic. Exterior ballistic ay ang pag-aaral ng galaw ng bala pagkatapos ito lumabas ng barrel. Kasama dito ang effects ng hangin, gravity at wind flight ng bala. Dito malalaman kung gaano kalayo at accurate ang tatama ng bala sa target. Terminal ballistic. Terminal ballistic ay ang pag-aaral kung anong nangyayari pag tumama na ang bala sa target. Tinitignan dito ang damage sa katawan o object. Penetration, stopping power, mahalaga ito sa crime investigation para malaman ang cause ng injury or death. Sa forensic ballistic naman, forensic ballistic ay ang application ng ballistic sa criminal investigation. Dito ay na-examine ng mga bala, firearms o gunshot evidence para malaman kung anong baril ang ginamit o kung sino ang nagpaputok. Tumutulong ito sa pag-solve ng crimes gamit ang scientific analysis.
Good day sir, I will discuss the different type of firearm. Firearms are generally divided into two categories, handguns and long gun. Handguns involved in this group is pistol and revolvers. A pistol's semi-automatic magazine can fire quickly and reload easily, while revolvers use a rotating cylinder to hold bullets, reliable and simple to use. The long gun involved in this group is rifles and shotguns. Rifles long barrel with rifling inside for accuracy, used for long distance shooting, while shotgun fire a group of small pellet shot or a single slug used in short range or tactical scenario. Other classifications of firearm: manual action like bolt action or pump action. Semi-automatic firearm fires one round per trigger full. Automatic firearm fires continuously while the trigger is held, usually in military use. Good day sir, I will discuss the different tests for gunshot residue or GSR. Gunshot residue is made of tiny particles released when a gun is fired. Number 1 is paraffin test. Old method. Wax is applied to hands, peeled off and tested for nitrates. Outdated due to false positive from fertilizers, tobacco, etc. Next is atomic absorption spectroscopy or AAS. Test for lead, barium, and antimony on the skin of clothing. More reliable than the paraffin test. Number 3 is scanning electron microscopic or SEM. Most accurate and modern tests can detect and identify GSR particles by their shape and composition.
Forensic ballistic is application of ballistic in criminal justice. It helps determine what type of firearms was used, whether a bullet or cartridge matches a specific gun, distance and angle of the shot, direction and number of shots fired. It always involves use of tools like comparison microscope to matching on bullet and tracing.
Wood ballistic. ay ang pag-aaral kung paano naapektuhan ang katawan ng tao kapag tinamaan ng bala. Kasama dito ang entry wound kung saan pumasok ang bala, exit wound kung saan lumabas, at damage sa loob ng katawan tulad ng organs at bones. Tinitingnan din kung gaano kalakas ang impact at anong klaseng bala ang ginamit. Importante ito sa forensic investigation para malaman ang range, direction at type ng firearm na ginamit. Thank you, sir.